Ever raided your piggy bank as a kid, only to find a treasure trove of forgotten birthday cash? That feeling of unearthing hidden wealth is pretty unbeatable. But what if I told you there might be a similar situation brewing in your crypto world? Context: 015 to 045. Maybe you dipped your toes into the crypto pool a while back, bought some Bitcoin or Ethereum on a whim, and then life got busy. Now, you're curious, how do I get that money back out? Can I transfer it straight to my bank account and treat myself to something real nice? The answer, my friend, is yes. And in this video, we'll break down exactly how to send your hard-earned crypto cash from Newton over to your bank account. Introducing Newton, 045 to 1 o'clock. Now, for those crypto newbies out there, let's rewind a sec. Newton is a user-friendly Canadian crypto exchange platform. Think of it as your one-stop crypto shop, a safe and secure place to buy, sell, and, as we'll discuss today, withdraw your crypto funds. So, if you're using Newton, buckle up, because getting that crypto converted to spendable cash is about to be a breeze. 2 withdrawal methods, 1 to 115. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. There are actually 2 main ways to send your money from Newton to your bank account: electronic funds transfer, EFT, and wire transfer. We'll explore both options, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. EFT, the speedy choice, 115 to 215. EFT, also known as Interac e-Transfer in Canada, is the faster and more common method. Think of it like sending money between friends. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for smaller transfers. Here's how it works. Log into your Newton account and navigate to the transfer section. Select the Withdraw Funds option and choose via Interac e-Transfer. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and double-check that your bank account information is accurate. This includes your bank name, institution number, transit number, and account number. Don't worry, Newton will guide you through this step by step. Hit Submit, and voila! Your money should be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Speedy, right? EFT limitations, 215 to 230. There's a catch, though. EFT has transfer limits. The exact amount will vary depending on your bank, but it's typically around $10,000 CAD. So, if you're looking to move a larger sum, you'll need to consider the alternative, wire transfer. Wire transfer, for the big bucks, 230 to 315. Wire transfers are ideal for larger withdrawals. They're secure and reliable, but they come with a few additional steps and might take a bit longer to process, usually 2 to 5 business days. Here's a quick rundown. Similar to EFT, head to the transfer section in your Newton account and select Withdraw Funds. This time, choose wire transfer as your withdrawal method. You'll need to provide your bank's routing number, account number, and beneficiary information. Newton will provide clear instructions on what details they need. There will likely be a fee associated with wire transfers, so be sure to factor that in before you initiate the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed all the information, submit your request, and your funds should be on their way to your bank account within a few business days. Choosing the right method, 315 to 345. So, EFT or wire transfer? The choice depends on your priorities. Need your money fast and the amount is within the EFT limit? EFT is your champion. Transferring a larger sum and willing to wait a bit longer for the transfer? Wire transfer is the way to go. Important reminders, 3:45 to 4 o'clock. Before we wrap things up, a couple of important reminders. Double-check your bank information.